the government house where the Anambra state government has completed the upgrading of Ekwulobia, Enugwu-Ukwu and Umueri regional hospitals to referral centers to meet the health needs of the Anambra. The Commissioner for Housing and Urban Development, Honorable Pole Onyeka, disclosed this during a final inspection tour of facilities. Our correspondent, Chukwuemeka Modelem, has a report.
Honorable Onyeka and his team first inspected the upgraded Ekwulobia General Hospital in Agwata local government area. Speaking to journalists after moving around the facility, Honorable Onyeka observed that the report he received from the supervisory team of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development about the hospital is in line with what is on ground, and expressed joy that the project was executed according to the bill of quantity that was generated for it. The commissioner made it clear that Governor Chukwuma Soludo upgraded the facility in terms of infrastructure, installation of equipment and other medical devices in the hospital that can enable it to serve as a referral center for the hospitals around it for the treatment of all kinds of ailments, even as he commended Governor Chukwuma Soludo for awarding the construction of the road leading to the hospital, which he said is nearing completion. On his part, the contractor that handled the project, Mr. Obinna Okoli, thanked the governor for finding them worthy to handle the project and revealed that all the buildings there have access to water and are well equipped with medical facilities, while the Ministry of Public Utilities has also installed solar energy in the facility so that it can operate at all times, especially at night, without relying on the national grid. At Enugwu-Ukwu General Hospital, the commissioner observed that the construction firm met 99% of the bill of quantity for the project as awarded in the contract by the Anambra state government, and noted that the facility is now ready to take off as a general hospital and a referral center for health centers and other hospitals around it for the treatment of any ailment, while expressing gratitude to the state government for achieving a total upgrade of the facility. The contractor that handled the project, Prince Nnemeka Akukwe, told the commissioner that ever since the hospital was upgraded, there has been a noticeable increase in the number of patients with all kinds of ailments coming there for Medicare, and they expressed satisfaction with the response they received from the hospital. In a similar vein, the chief medical director of the hospital, Dr. Dozie Udolisa, expressed gratitude to Governor Soludo for upgrading the physical infrastructure, equipment, and staff of the hospital, saying that he has fulfilled his desire to make the facility a referral center. The story was the same at Umueri General Hospital, where Honorable Onyeka also observed that it was upgraded by the bill of quantity for the project, and stated that he inspected the facility to ensure that taxpayers' money is well utilized. The contractor that handled the project, architect Okechukwu Ezekwelu, who highlighted all the aspects of the hospital that were upgraded, informed the commissioner and his team that the development has attracted more patients to the hospital who before now refused to go there for Medicare. Chukwuemeka Modelem, ABS News.